I just got my hands on one of the hottest e-motos in its segment. This is the all-new Arctic Leopard XF. And it's a small to mid-sized e-moto with 17-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels. And right off the bat, this thing came out swinging. A quick look, we've got 72 volt, 35 amp hour battery, 12 kilowatts, and it comes in right around 127 pounds. So the XF shares a lot of the same DNA and design language as its big brother, the Arctic Leopard XE Pro series. And right here next to me, I've got an XE Pro S Enduro, which is a sick bike with its 21-inch standard front wheels, best in class 55 amp hour battery, and massive 20 kilowatt motor. And now the XF stands out for a lot of the same reasons its big brother has had so much success in the market. And at $36.99, at least at the time of this recording, the bike is competing in a very competitive niche in the market, but it has no trouble standing out and distinguishing itself from the rest of the pack. I'd like to take a quick look and see what the key features are and some of the things that stand out about this bike. The 17-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels give the bike a 33-inch seat height, which is great for beginner riders. It uses a direct drive system. That means no belts or jack shafts, which delivers instant torque and a really smooth throttle delivery. And a beautiful, large color display with an NFC keyless unlock system gives the cockpit and display area a really nice and seamless look. Okay, let's get the XF out for a quick ride. I've got Jonah, one of our employees with a lot of riding experience. He's gonna take it out for a couple of laps and give us his impressions.
Ooh. Peppy and strong brakes. Yeah, brakes are very strong.
Now, regrettably, we didn't get a chance to actually take this thing out on a track. All we've got is kind of our complex to rip around on. Jonah's a little bit more experienced. I'm gonna spare you any of the footage of me riding, but I did get some time on this bike as well. A couple of things I'll highlight. Really great, strong .4 dirt bike grade brakes. Very touchy, very responsive, really good low end torque. So if you like getting the wheel up, while the footage might not have done it justice, I can tell you that a little twist of the throttle, that wheel comes right up. Again, 12 kilowatts, that's nothing to scoff at. That's 50% more than a Sur-Ron Light BX. So really good low end torque. The bike just feels balanced, it's very nimble. The frame and the chassis is great. For a 17, 14-inch wheelbase, I think this is great for entry level and mid-tier riders. Really good to rip it around the track. Now, all of that is great, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter unless you have a product that's backed by good customer service and a strong dealer network. So as many of you know, Pinned Electric is the official US distributor of Arctic Leopard. And as a dealer myself who's worked very closely with the Pinned Electric team, I can vouch personally for every one of their products, whether it's Arctic Leopard, Ventus, or Re-Road. Everything that they put out has strict quality control measures put in place. They have a strong dealer network and they have parts availability. Not to mention, the bikes are just great quality. So when you're purchasing an Arctic Leopard, you're not just buying a product, you're establishing a long-term relationship with a distributor and a brand that cares deeply about their customers. Give us a call or shoot us a text message if you have any questions at all. ATV Wholesale Outlet in Sacramento is your hub for e-motos. Thank you so much for watching.